Here is the 2024 Harley-Davidson Street Bob 114 in Billiard Gray colorway. A perfect performance base for customization, the Street Bob features an upright riding position equipped with mid-mount foot controls in a passenger seat, along with a low rider's seat height of only 25.8 inches. The tank features Harley-Davidson's #1 logo graphic in a black fade with white lettering. It comes from the factory with Harley-Davidson's Milwaukee-Eight, a 114 cubic inch engine, paired with a 2x2 offset shotgun exhaust. The Annihilator Six-spoke cast wheels with fierce lines command attention and accentuate the custom look of this bobber. This motorcycle has 94 horsepower with 119 foot-pounds of torque and weighs in at 655 pounds, with 91.3 inches in length. It has a fuel capacity of 3.5 gallons and achieves roughly 47 miles per gallon. The rear suspension is hidden, free piston coilover monoshock with a cam-style preload adjustment under the seat. Overall, the Billiard Gray Harley-Davidson Street Bob 114 is a gritty, lean, mean bobber cloaked in black. Come in and give it a test ride today.